Are you tired of paying expensive nails at the nail salon? Stay with me in this video and let me tell you why this Pink Lab free sample is all you need to have at home manicure in minutes, literally minutes. So this is the package, and these are the nails. They're medium, they're pointy, and they're color pink. It's like a pink page. So I would say just looks more like a pink, and it comes what you need with what you need to do it at home. So first you want to start by using these wooden sticks. It has the instructions in the back, very easy to use. So you want to do this with the wooden sticks, pushing back on the cuticle, and then you want to prep it with this alcohol pad. This stay on the nail super strong, super nice, and it has this glue, and it also comes with a second glue. And all you have to do is get the nails. You have to prepare the nails depending on the length, depending on the size of the finger. So let me show you this one. For example, I will put on the glue and I will press it on 25 seconds. 25 seconds I will press on, and then they will literally stay on. And then once you do the first one, you can just go and do exactly the same with the next one. They look very nice. You can do your normal routine. They will stay on. They have high quality, and I am very excited with these nails. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you check it out. They have different designs, different colors, and thank you for watching.